Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to declare if else statement in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In this example guys, I have here line number 1. We have here a series of fruits named apple, orange, banana, grape, and pear. And then we have here line number 2. We have an item carrot. Now what the program will do, I declare an if statement. If item in fruits, it will check if the item carrot belongs in the group of fruits. So if it belongs, it will display carrot is a fruit. If it is true, else if it is false, carrot is not a fruit. In this case, we obviously find carrot is not belong in the group of 5 fruits, namely apple, orange, banana, grape, and pear. So when we run our program, run code, so carrot is not a fruit. Okay, that's true because carrot does not belong in the list of fruits that we have in line number 1. How about we will put here orange instead of carrot. Save. Then we run again the code. So here we have the output. Orange is a fruit. Why? Because orange can be seen in the second item of fruits in our selection: apple, orange, banana, grape, and pear. So in this example, we were able to demonstrate using if-else statement to check whether an item belongs in a group of fruits or not. In computer programming, this is applicable for linear searching problems, algorithms to be solved using if-else statement in Python. So if we change it again, let's say for example, eggplant. So basically, eggplant is not a fruit. Okay. Why? Because it does not belong in the list of fruits that we have on above in line number 1. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation tutorial in Python using if-else statement to check whether an item belongs to a group or not. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.